Land Rover LR3 repairs in my area. Land Rover is a British brand of predominantly four-wheel drive, off-road capable vehicles, owned by multinational car manufacturer Jaguar Land Rover. Since 2008 a subsidiary of India's Tata Motors. JLR currently builds Land Rovers in Brazil, China, India, Slovakia, and the United Kingdom. The 2009 Land Rover LR3 is a mid-size luxury SUV known for its off-road capability, spacious interior, and upscale features. Here are some key features and information about the 2009 Land Rover LR3. Servicing your Land Rover LR3 is essential to ensure its optimal performance, longevity, and safety. Regular maintenance helps address potential issues early on and keeps your vehicle in top condition. Here are some general guidelines for Land Rover LR3 service. Regular maintenance schedule. Follow the maintenance schedule outlined in your Land Rover LR3 owner's manual. This schedule typically includes routine inspections and maintenance tasks at specific mileage intervals. Oil changes. Regular oil changes are crucial to keep the engine running smoothly. Use the recommended oil type and adhere to the manufacturer's suggested oil change intervals. Fluid checks. Regularly check and top off essential fluids, including coolant, brake fluid, power steering fluid, and transmission fluid. Brake system. Inspect the brake system regularly, including brake pads, rotors, and brake fluid levels. Replace components as needed to ensure optimal braking performance. Tire maintenance. Monitor tire pressure regularly and ensure it is within the recommended range. Rotate and balance tires at the recommended intervals to ensure even wear. Suspension and steering. Regularly inspect and maintain the suspension and steering components to ensure a smooth and controlled ride. Battery. Check the battery regularly for signs of corrosion or weakness. Ensure that the terminals are clean and that the battery is securely mounted. Air filters. Replace the engine air filter and cabin air filter based on the manufacturer's recommended intervals to maintain air quality and engine efficiency. Alignment. Check and, if necessary, realign the wheels to prevent uneven tire wear and ensure proper handling. Professional servicing. It's advisable to have your Land Rover LR3 serviced by authorized Land Rover technicians or at certified service centers to ensure the best care and maintenance. Always refer to your vehicle's owner's manual for the specific service intervals and recommendations provided by Land Rover for your LR3 model. Regular and thorough maintenance will contribute to the overall performance, reliability, and longevity of your Land Rover LR3.